Welcome to our trading channel. This is Jenny from peakbinaryoption.com. USD JPY experienced a dump in last hours. 160.94 is a strong support level. When it broke the level and rebound, I placed long position on this VIP client's Nadex account. The market pumped a lot. There is running profits, but still more than 50 minutes left to expiry. The residue profit is promising, but risk level also very high. I would like to close it before expiry to lock profits. We also identify a reversal on the 1-minute charting. Many friends want a strategy, but I want to say no perfect strategy can secure you win. The trading psychology is the only way to success. We also made a series of videos on trading psychology. You can find in our channel. Wish they are helpful. If you have any question, feel free to contact our team via email or Skype. Thanks for watching and wish you succeed in trading.